Hey, y'all, guess what? Well, first off, happy Tuesday. But guess what I don't have to do today? What is the garden? Here's Wyatt being crazy. It's a rain. It's a pouring. Whoop whoop! I know. I am making dinner, but I had to pause for a second to come out here and yay, the water. Hold on, let me. The garden is getting watered, so is the Wyatt. He is over there somewhere. But look. Soak. Uh-oh. Oh, you got the mail? Thanks. Are there boxes over there too? Hey, is there, huh? Okay. I'm expecting at least, whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, I hope this mail is not anything. Are you sure that's not, there's no boxes over there, bae? Okay. Well, I hope this stuff is nothing. No. Junk mail. I can't even. Okay. Anyways, he just kind of threw it. Just set it right there for now. It's on our way home from getting Elijah from school. We saw this dark cloud and I was like, off the road! Not that, but I was like, I hope that cloud comes to our house, stays there for like at least half an hour or more, and just pours. He's not listening. My bae, come here. I got it. I'll be back. Maybe not. So oh, the sun. Uh-huh. I'm wondering. Hey, Wyatt, is my truck... Did I lock the truck? Oh, yeah. Yes. I did. Okay, so the sun is out a little bit. I wonder if there is, like, a bow of rain in the sky. So, let me grab my house shoes. I turned the heat down, so we're having Caribbean rice and I don't think I need these, but I need my truck keys that are somewhere in my purse. Caribbean rice and sweet chicken sausage with kale in it. So that's not on. So my Wyatt. Hello. I don't want to get my phone out in the rain. My Wyatt! Get my umbrella out of the truck, please. What? My umbrella. Okay. Thank you. I gotta see it. Yeah, that one's fine. Don't open it. Please don't open it. Okay. Why? Because I don't want you to. Now close the truck door. Okay. Okay, there we go. Yep. That's... my umbrella is falling apart. Alright, let's see. Kinda slightly stopped raining. But all right, we're going to walk into the driveway.
Are we going on a walk?
No, we are not, because I am cooking dinner. We are. I don't see a rainbow. Come here, baby. The sun was out. I'm looking for a rainbow. I definitely don't see a rainbow. Maybe that was the mail from yesterday. Okay, hey, my Wyatt, come here. Can you please get off the road? Please get off the road. I'm gonna need about a week before somebody posts bail money. So, okay, go in the backyard and stay off the road. His medication wore off. I'm not seeing a rainbow. That's upsetting. So, I didn't get my yoga workout in today because the boys had therapy this morning. And then I had to sit at Wyatt's school. And then he came home early, so my truck isn't too incredibly messy. I just gotta get this and super glue it. So alright, there is no rainbow today, so that is slightly disappointing. I like my rainbows. Alright, I'll be back.
I love you too.
I love you, my baby.
I love you too.
So, dinner time. We got the Caribbean rice, the French style cut green beans, and the chicken sausage, the sweet chicken sausage with kale. I got that off of Amazon, that off of Walmart, and that from Food Lion. So, I think today might be one of those days where I do a calorie count just to see where I'm at with like my calories for the day, my macros, you know, that kind of stuff. So, but I'm gonna eat first, so I'll let you know in a minute. Dinner tasted yummy. I kind of wanted something different for my protein today, which is why we did I did the chicken sausage with kale. I just plugged my stuff into my Fitness Pal. I had some ice cream too. I'm just writing that down, but I did include that. So my little thing here, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Calories were 1,777, carbs were 139, protein 91, and fats 95. So I want my protein. I'm good with the fats and the carbs being these two numbers. If I had another piece of chicken for my lunch here, I only had one chicken tender. For that one. There's my Elijah. So the protein would have been higher. But I did end up with three containers of the Mediterranean chicken or Mediterranean pasta salad, which I didn't rate in there. That I meal prep. If you saw my video from Sam's Club, T-T-E-R-E, I'm pretty sure pasta, I spelled Mediterranean wrong. I bought a container of the Mediterranean pasta salad that Sam's Club sells, and I was going to do that for my lunch with the chicken tenders that I had thawed out, and then dinner would have been the chicken sausage with kale, the sweet chicken sausage with kale that I got from Food Lion on Manager Special. So one of my shop and earn thingies at Food Lion this month is produce, and the other is meat and seafood department. So think it's $30 in produce and $40 in the meat and seafood. My mom, she goes Saturday instead of Friday to Aunt Gina's house. She's gonna pack. So I think Thursday and Friday, I'm going over there to feed the cats. And so probably tomorrow morning after I drop the kids off, I am going to go, get some meat from Food Lion. Maybe, I don't know yet, if I'm gonna, I don't know. Or I might wait until next week and use up some of what we have. I did buy the pork loin, had them slice it up at Sam's Club. So I have that I can use. And then I just got a 10-pound bag of chicken breast. So I'm gonna wait on going to Food Lion until like another week or so, week or two. What is today? Today is the 13th, so I'm gonna wait. Saturday is the 3K, and then the radio station's 30th anniversary party thing. So me and Wyatt are going to go to the 3K. So anyways, I am going to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. So peace.